welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see in the title, I think it's down here, over here, up here, wherever it is, you'll see that we're going to make some delicious cream cheese pumpkin muffins. So the next couple videos I do are gonna be more like holiday recipes, things for Thanksgiving, keto alternatives, you know, low carb stuff, so that you can still enjoy the holidays but don't feel guilty about it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. But before we do that, if you've never been here before, welcome to my channel. My name is Meryl, and if you want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and also hit that notification bell so you can get notifications every time I post a new video. And if you have been here before, welcome back. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and you can go ahead and start prepping your muffin tin or your loaf pan or whatever you want to use, so that way it's ready to go when all your mixture is done. Alright, so now it's time to work on the mixture, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing is you're just going to grab a large mixing bowl, whether plastic or glass, doesn't matter. Put half a cup of melted butter in there, and then add 2/3 of a cup of granulated Swerve or low carb sweetener of your choice. I just would rather use Swerve, it's my favorite. And then you're going to just mix together to make sure it becomes light and fluffy. Then we're going to add 4 eggs and mix well to combine. So just mix her on up there. Really good. It's getting a good consistency. Then we're going to add in 3/4 of a cup of pumpkin. You can use canned or fresh, it's up to you. After that, we're going to add about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And again, just stir it up. Just mix it really well so it looks even better now. It's getting that nice fluffy but thicker texture. In a separate bowl, we are going to add 1.5 cups of almond flour and half a cup of coconut flour. We're also going to add 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice, a half a teaspoon of salt. I use Himalayan salt in all my recipes. And then we're going to mix all of the dry ingredients together, so that way they are well combined and they will mix properly into our wet ingredients in just a second. So again, just mix it up. And now we're going to dump them into our wet ingredients. And I have a whisk here, and I'm just going to whisk them all together. We don't want to over mix it, but at the same time you do want to make sure everything's combined really well so that it bakes properly. So I also added in some sugar-free maple syrup just to kind of give it a different flavor. I love that maple syrup flavor, especially in the fall. It's so good. And now we're going to put it into our pumpkin, our muffin, our muffin or cupcake little cups here. You can also use this as a loaf, but I like making little muffins, so that way I can just eat them for breakfast, bring them to work, hand them out to people to try. I do that with all my cooking stuff, as you can imagine. They're like my guinea pigs at work. I just make everybody try it. Okay, so next we're going to get 8 ounces of cream cheese, soften it. We're going to get a little bit of the sugar-free maple syrup. We're going to get about a tablespoon. I used about 2 of the Swerve, and we're just going to mix it all together in the bowl. So again, mixing it well to make sure everything is, all the ingredients are mixed together. And then we're going to top our muffins with it. So this is just going to add, a different texture on top, some extra flavor in there. And I don't know about you guys, but I love cream cheese, frostings and things like that for recipes, especially muffins and anything with pumpkin. So it's going to be so good. So we're going to continue doing that on all of the muffins. And then in just a second, we're going to start mixing it together. So you, not mixing it, you more so want to swirl it on top of the muffins. Okay, so then you just want to continue doing this to the rest of them, and we're going to bake these at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes, and mine took about 25, maybe 26 or 27 minutes. just depending on your oven and things like that. So just keep an eye on them. Right, and here's the finished product. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.